Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison. Me and my ponytail are back for another video. So, how you doing, squeaky chair? I'm in the mood to swing back and forth in this chair and I don't know why. So, I have a notepad on my phone, as do a lot of people. But some of the things that I've had on my phone are just, you know, lists like everybody makes. That's what notepads and memo pads are for. Let me keep going. This video, as you can see by the title, these are 5 makeup brands or makeup related brands, skincare brands, beauty brands that I want to try this year. And yes, elephant in the room, this is a video that you typically see at the beginning of the year or at the end of the year, not almost March. I digress. So I'm gonna sit like this. I guess that's literally why I'm swinging back and forth, so I can do this and this and this. Oh god. This chair is scary. Scary situation. Let's do this angle since we're here. Okay, so these are 5 brands that I want to try. So I'm going to put some pictures over here that I'm probably going to steal off Instagram. Let's go first with Melanie Mills. Let me go to Instagram so I am better prepared with what I want to talk about. Ooh, she's got candles now. I think I've really kind of just been completely enamored by this product because of Sandra Deluxe, using it as like a face primer with some sheer foundation. And really that's all it is. I want to try one of the lighter colors. It's a like face and body illuminator. I don't know, for some reason I feel like this is at the pinnacle of every little shiny thing in a tube. I don't know. I really want to try it. It's been on my mind for a while. So definitely on my radar. Second on my list is Stargazer Cosmetics, or Stargazer products. They have a lot of pigments and shadows and they're super damn neon. Hey boo. They're super neon and some of them are even UV. I don't know. I'm down. I've looked a lot on their website. My only thing is that since it's overseas, it's a little bit higher in shipping, which I feel like I should just calm down with that since we do get a lot of luxury with shipping living in the United States. But Stargazer just seems, again, like up there when it comes to the quality of like neon pigments, staying power, blendability, just everything that I see, saturated color. Yes, please give it to me now. Okay, third is a brand that's called Chemists Confessions. So this brand, this is actually something that I started following their blog and reading their Instagram post, and then I realized that they were available on Beautylish too. I got my feelings about Beautylish. Whatever. But anyway, it's just this duo that is just smart with skincare, and they have a lot of really interesting, well thought out products that are very basic, but very utility, like, you know, workhorse type products. So I don't know. I really want to try some of their skincare. I love skincare, as you can probably tell. I have 2 more brands left, and these are both makeup brands. The first one is Ciate London. I have never tried Ciate. I have never pulled the trigger on Ciate products, and what I am most interested in trying is some of their bronzers, because God knows I love bronzers. I actually bought a new bronzer today. Oh, the irony. And some of their blushes. They have these illuminating blushes. Oh, they look so pretty. I've heard good things about their eyeshadows and whatnot, but I mean, a lot of their face products I'm very curious about. The last makeup brand on my list that I want to try this year is Wonder Beauty. I'm going to open a jar of gummy bears for this. I've gotten mascara from BoxyCharm before, and I actually gave that to my mom, and I don't even know if she's really used it or not. I'd have to like circle back and ask her. So I have tried the eye mask, but I haven't tried any of the skincare products. I love things that are in a stick, things that are very on the go, very travel friendly. So the brand itself seems very much my aesthetic, my vibe, if you know what I mean. The duo sticks, they have a bronzer blush duo, and then they have a blush and glow duo. I think I'd probably be more interested in the cream bronzer, obviously. And as well as like some of their hydrating oils or their glow oils. Those things look so good. And there you have it, guys. That is 5 brands that I for sure want to try this year. Even though it's almost March, I really want to check out these things and be a little bit more strategic with my purchases and kind of venture into the things I've been really curious about for a while. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like bullshit like this, because I like to make bullshit like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.